Welcome back to the TGS Fleet Services e-learning hub. With our recent relaunch, things may look different. So let's take a quick tour of how to purchase a course. We begin on the TGS website, toyota-jib.com. On the home page, you'll see a button that takes you straight to the e-learning hub. Click Start Learning to enter the portal. Inside the hub, you'll see a selection of our featured courses, along with details about our training team. To explore everything we offer, click Shop at the top of the screen. This will take you to our full course catalogue. Use the filter options to sort courses by price, category, or language, whatever helps you find the right fit. Once you've found a course that interests you, add it to cart, and we'll walk through the purchasing options together. On the right side of the course page, you'll see everything you need to make a purchase. If you have a discount code, simply enter it in the promo field. If you're buying just for yourself, select one item and add it to your cart. For team purchases, increase the number of licenses you'd like. The button will automatically switch to buy licenses to allocate. However, to proceed with this option, please contact TGS eLearning Hub at toyota-jib.com to verify your eligibility. And remember, larger purchases may qualify for a bulk discount. You'll have two ways to pay. Option 1, debit or credit card. Option 2, pay by invoice, where you'll receive bank transfer details to complete payment. After choosing your method, you can review your basket or jump straight to quick checkout. To finalize your purchase, you'll be asked to create an account. If you already have one, just switch to the Sign In tab and enter your details. If you're paying by card, you'll be taken to our secure Stripe checkout. If you choose to pay by invoice, you'll receive a downloadable invoice with all payment instructions. And that's it, your course is ready to begin. Work through the training at your own pace and download your certificate when you're done. If you ever need help, we're here for you. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and click Contact. This will open your email inbox, ready for you to reach out directly. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your learning, and we'll see you next time.